Hello everyone, myself Kiran Madhav Shinde, a research student of Department of Environmental Science, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Aurangabad. Under the requirement of Pre-PhD course 2021, I am representing my seminar topic, Development and Design of Low-Cost Vermicomposting Technology for Municipal Sewage and Solid Waste. We know that increasing in the population and increasing in the demand of lifestyle due to rapid growth and urbanization, per day sewage and the solid waste quantity generation increasing day by day per capita per day basis. The content of this waste and decomposition products are infectious and releases highly toxic pollutants if they are not handled properly, because of which the society is under a big threat due to the generation of sewage and solid waste. The current unsound practices and handling facilities for the waste treatment are insufficient and unscientifically mannered operated, because of which the pollution is impacting on biosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. This not only leads in the pollution of the environment, but it also degrades the aesthetic value of nature. Current facilities such as collection, segregation, and treating waste are not scientific and become a major key issues for government stakeholders and the agencies which are in the process of planning and development of urban areas. These facilitators are facing various challenges such as short of space, shortage of funds, non-availability of scientific treatment. In nutshell, we can conclude that present established facilities are not scientific manner and are not sufficient and foolproof to handle the solid waste generated from the municipal areas and sewage generation from the domestic activities. In my study of this research, I am going to do literature survey, which will be extensively done for collecting the relevant data regarding various composting technologies and the characterization of municipal sewage and solid waste. During this study, I am also going to do a selection of worm which will be used for the vermicomposting, which will be uh, which will be used for composting for suitable conditions to give maximum output. Under this study, I'm also going to do the designing and development of the unit, which will be a very low cost and will have a continuous process along with the having a facility which will adopt the combination of sewage, which will be a liquid, and municipal solid, which will be in a solid phase, and the output of the machine will be quantified and characteristics for its using into the soil. The basic principle in my study is municipal garbage, which is in organic content, and the sewage, which is also in organic content, will be used as an bedding facilitation into the unit, on which uh, worms will be applied for composting of this organic material. These worms will eat the organic content and they will produce a compost manure, which will be nothing but their castes. And during this process, we are also going to get the liquid leachate, which will also have a valuable product. This machine, with the use of this machine, the solid waste will be converted into reusable products, and this will also enhance the aesthetic value of nature. Um, the targeted outcomes I am projecting is a development and designing of the facility which will be easy to operation and which will be economical and will also give a solution to the municipal sewage and solid waste treatment. This unit can be used by various individual groups as well as institutions and establishments as well as municipal corporations. This composting technology will give a reusable products which will be a high rich, enriched manure and enriched leachates. Thank you so much.